Namaste friends. Welcome to part 3 of our series, AkhandaBharat, the 24 divisions. In our previous episodes, we explored 16 countries that separated from Bharat through ancient migrations, colonial rule, and modern politics. Today, we uncover the final 8 divisions, regions that were once the spiritual and cultural heart of Bharat. These are not modern countries, but forgotten kingdoms, ancient districts, and civilizational zones that shaped our identity. Let's rediscover them. 1. Gandhara, the land of wisdom. Gandhara was a major center of Buddhist learning, located in present-day Pakistan and Afghanistan. It housed the famous Takshila University, where students from across Asia came to study. Gandhara art, with its Greco-Buddhist style, influenced sculpture across Bharat. Today, its ruins lie scattered, but its legacy lives on in our spiritual memory. 2. Kamboja, the warrior frontier. Kamboja was a powerful kingdom mentioned in the Mahabharata and Vedic texts. Located near present-day Iran and Afghanistan, it was known for its warrior clans and Vedic traditions. Over time, it was absorbed into foreign empires, but its name still echoes in ancient scriptures. 3. Kaushal, the kingdom of Rama. Kaushal, or Kosal, was the kingdom of Lord Rama, with Ayodhya as its capital. It was a center of dharma, education, and spiritual leadership. Though Ayodhya remains in Bharat, the broader region of Kaushal extended into areas now fragmented across states and borders. 4. Anga, the eastern jewel. Anga was an ancient kingdom in present-day Bihar, known for its rivalry with Magad. It was ruled by Karna, the great warrior of the Mahabharata. Anga's cultural richness contributed to the rise of Buddhism and Jainism, but its identity faded over time. 5. Kashi, the eternal city. Kashi, now known as Varanasi, is one of the oldest living cities in the world. It was a spiritual capital of Bharat, revered in the Vedas, Upanishads, and Puranas. Though still part of modern Bharat, the broader cultural zone of Kashi once extended far beyond its current boundaries. 6. Vatsa, the river kingdom. Vatsa was located near Prayagraj along the Yamuna River. It was known for its literature, philosophy, and royal patronage. Over time, it merged into larger empires, but its contributions to Sanskrit drama and classical arts remain unmatched. 7. Avanti, the cultural capital. Avanti, centered around Ujjain, was a hub of astronomy, mathematics, and Shaivism. It was ruled by King Vikramaditya, whose calendar is still used today. Avanti's influence stretched across central Bharat, but its distinct identity was lost in later political shifts. 8. Matsya, the tribal heartland. Matsya was a tribal kingdom in present-day Rajasthan, known for its bravery and resistance to invaders. It played a key role in the Mahabharata and early Vedic society. Though absorbed into modern states, Matsya's legacy lives on in folklore and regional traditions. These final 8 regions may not appear on today's political maps, but they are etched in our scriptures, our stories, and our souls. Together, these 24 divisions tell the story of a civilization that once stretched across continents, united by dharma, culture, and wisdom. Akhand Bharat may have been divided, but its spirit still lives within us, in every temple, every tradition, and every heart that remembers. If this journey moved you, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let's continue rediscovering our roots, one story